We are going to do our red bean mooncake now. So this is what we have cooked just now. As you can see, it's a little dry because we put a lot of wheat starch just now, yeah? But it's fine. You still can make into a ball. And it's quite wet. You see, your hand is oil. Now, what are we going to add this inside? These are the melon seeds, 40 grams. And then our, what is this? Sunflower seeds, 20 grams. Then our winter melon, 40 grams. And this is candied mandarin. You can buy and then cut them up. We like it a little tangy, so we add this in, 40 grams. And then you mix them well. Mix them well. For the red bean mooncake, we are going to use this mold. We're going to use this mold. Okay, so the filling with egg should be 80 grams. And the dough should be 40 grams. So again, let me share with you how to do it. Just take a bowl, make a well or make a hole in the center, put the egg yolk in and slowly cover it up. And then weigh. Oh, 86. And then take it out. Okay, 80. Then also weigh the skin, 40. Okay. Okay, I'm going to share with you how I roll out the skin. Remember, we cover this up, then you depending on how you like it thick or thin, then your dough can be bigger. Thicker, I mean. The ball, close. And then here again, you don't have to mold, you don't have to flour the mold every time. Just get the best, put it in, and make sure no sides are coming up, or else 1, 2, 1, hit it, 2, 3, 4, then just bang it down, it comes out. Okay, and put on the tray. One more time. Flour the mat. Take the ball, put it in the center, flatten it. Make it a little bigger, it's fine. It doesn't have to be round, don't worry about it. And then turn it over, or can cover. In case you cannot cover, just put your hand in, and then close it up, so it covers up, like that. And put some flour, and then put a little more, press. And then knock. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've completed one tray of red bean mooncake. This is ready to go into the oven. Yeah, let me show you where I make some mistake. See here, if I press, there's a little wing here. So I must remember to tuck it in here also. But a little bit is fine, yeah? But try not to do this. It's okay. Ready to go to. So I'm going to bake it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. And then I'll take it out, rest it 2 minutes, put the egg wash. All right, so this is how I do it. And then I close up. 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of baking, I've taken it out to rest for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to do a egg wash. I'm going to do an egg wash. So same way. Just brush the top. Don't let the bubbles stay there. If you let the bubbles stay there, then the mooncake won't be nice. So brush off the top first. Then I'll show you one. Go to the side. Like that. You go around all the mooncake like this. Here goes the second baking, 10 minutes after the egg wash. And we're going to time it. All right, the 10 minutes is up. I'm going to take it out. Beautiful, look at it.